and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. Today, I've listened to you guys, I put a poll up, we had to pick between Soap and Glory and the Debenhams advent calendar, and today, we're going to be unboxing our first ever advent calendar. This is the Debenhams one. It retails for £90. If you buy any makeup product at the moment, you can get this for half price, so you get it for £45 instead. It's got £190 worth of products in, and it's got 24 products inside. So let's just get straight into it. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I am getting so close to 8,000 of you guys. So there will be a new giveaway coming in December as well to celebrate. But my current giveaway is linked down below. And let's just get straight into this video, baby. This is what the advent calendar looks like. And when you open it up, it's real fancy inside. This opens up like this. So it has little boxes, which I really like because it means I can open them, show them to you, and then I can keep them ready for December myself to open up every single day. So this is what it looks like, and let's start with box number 1. So in box number 1 we have Kat Von D mascara. This is their Go Big or Go Home volumizing mascara, and this is just in the shade black. It just looks like this. For box number 2 we have this is a Clinique product. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge 24 hour, oh my god, 24 hour, all my life. To replenish and hydrate, it just looks like this. Box number 3 is a pink one, and this one, I can see pandas. Looks like some Korean. This is the Orkut Reviving Gemstone mini masks. With citrine extract. Oh, look how cute these are. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this, let's hide my head. These are what they are. So it looks like the little mini masks. You put them on for 20-30 minutes. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to do a face mask Friday on that, because that's really exciting. Box number 4 is a gold and white one. Let's see what's inside here. Something in here smells amazing because you can smell it as soon as you open the advent calendar. This is a Hiiii Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Oh my god, that is so cute. Ah, look at it. That's so cute. I don't think I've tried anything from like Hiii's like makeup line. I think I've tried like the nail varnish that I got free in a magazine like many years ago. So that's super exciting. Next up we have number 5, and this one is a Purity 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes from the brand Philosophy, which just looks like this. This used to be massive like back in the day. I used to remember so many people talking about Philosophy, and I feel like it kind of just like dropped off the radar for me. My local Boots like stopped selling it as well, so after that I thought, oh, I wonder if like they're not doing it anymore, but clearly they must still be going strong. What do you think about this advent calendar is it is so hard to get the boxes out. So next we have a number 6, which is a black one. This is the, I'm sure this is a really expensive brand, this, you know. This is the Fulgora, Flog, I don't know. Time Filler Absolute Wrinkles Smoothing Cream, which just looks like this. And this is a 15ml bottle. But I'm pretty sure I've saw that brand before, and I'm pretty sure it's an expensive one. Number 7, we have a white and pink or red stripy box. This one has a NARS product in it, so let's open this one. It's got a NARS blush in the shade Orgasm, which is obviously their most like popular blush shade. I actually have this myself, so I might actually sell this to get a little bit of pennies back, since I've paid for the advent calendar. Oh, it's so little cute. Look how little cute it is. Ah. It's so cute. I'm not sure if I've mentioned it in the video, but I did buy this advent calendar myself. Just when we mentioned about selling that Orgasm one. Number 8, where are you at? Oh my god, number 8's a massive one. Number 8 is huge. Let's have a look what's inside this bad boy. Ooh, this looks like another face mask, like a Korean one by the brand Orkut. This is, I wonder if it's this that smells nice. I'm not sure. This is the Orkut 3-step mask. Anti-pollution sheet mask. It's got a detoxifying cleanser, a soothing serum as well. So this is what it looks like, and then it just has obviously the instructions on the back. Next up we have number 9, which feels really big and really heavy. Ooh, what's this? It's a soap. Oh my god, it's this that smells nice. So this is the Handmade soap, lavender, roseberry, thyme and mint soap. This is just what the packaging looks like, and then the soap itself just looks like this. Oh my god. Yeah, it's definitely that. That smells nice. And you could smell something like really, really strong as soon as you open the advent calendar. And no wonder it's heavy as well. It's 140 grams. Then we have number 10, which looks like a little gold bar. And inside number 10 is a Murad product. This is their Essential C Cleanser. It says to use day and night massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. And it's just got little tiny, like, balls in it. The only way I can explain it. But yeah, that's what's in number 10. Next up, we have number 11. This one smells nice as well. What's this? This is the Noble Isle Fireside Body Lotion, which just looks like this. And this is a 50ml bottle. I've never heard of this brand before. Should we have a smell and see what it smells like? It's not overpowering. It does smell like a little bit masculine, but like a nice masculine, if that makes sense. Y'all know I'm not the best at explaining things. Then we have number 12. Ooh, this is a Benefit product. So this is a mini They're Real mascara. It just looks like this. I do really like this mascara, but I do prefer my Bad Gal Bang. You all know by now if you watch my channel. If not, don't forget hit subscribe. But yeah. Ah, fuck. Fuckity fuck fuck. Ah! Oh, man. Next up is box 13. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Ooh. Ooh, it's a £5 gift card for Debenhams. So obviously when you're buying this advent calendar, Stephenson do the same deal that I did. So I bought a Benefit Mini Boing concealer to try. The new one that's just came out, like the liquid one. I bought that, obviously because it's a mini, so it's a lot cheaper. I think it was like £10 roughly. And then obviously I got the advent calendar for £45 instead of £90. And at that time when I bought it, you got £10 worth of Debenhams points on my card because I spent over so much. And then also inside this, you get a £5 Debenhams voucher, like gift card as well. So it's definitely worth looking into to see whether you will like what's in this box and whether it's beneficial money-wise for you. But I've already got like this whole thing for £40 because this is like another £5 off, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's a nice little one. So 14 is one of the many reasons that I really wanted this advent calendar. This is a Buxom lip liner in the shade Espionage. Oh my god, this would go really nice with this lipstick I've got on now. I'm wearing like Jeffree Star's Androgyny, and I was putting it on thinking, I could really do. Oh my god, this is fat. I could really do with a lip liner that's this colour, but I don't really have it, or even one a little bit darker. But this is like really chunky. I thought it'd be. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I thought it was going to be a lip liner. Like that is like a lipstick liner. Like, that's not a normal lip liner thingy. And then the other side is like a little fluffy brush. Wow. I've never tried anything from Buxom before as well, so I'm really happy about that. And I'm quite happy with the colour as well. Espionage. I'm a dial at times. Then we have 15 right next to it. Let's open this bad boy up. This is a Philip Kingsley Flaky / Itchy Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Ooh, this would be good for me because if you watch my channel, you know, going through a bit of a hair journey at the moment. My scalp's really sensitive. It's really sore to the touch. Not so much now. I mean, I'm going to say not so much now because I don't wear my hair up as much, but I've got my hair up in this video. But I don't wear my hair up as much as what I used to, which was what was making my scalp sore. So yeah, I'll be excited to try this one and see what it's like. And I've never tried any Philip Kingsley shampoos before. I've got the elasticizer, which I still need to try. But yeah, I've never tried any shampoos, so that'll be exciting. Then we have number 16, which looks like a palette. It's a NYX palette. This is the NYX Ultimate Edit Petite Shadow Palette, and these colours are like right up my street. Warm neutrals. Yes, please, baby. Yes, please. So this is what it looks like. NYX eyeshadow palettes are quite pricey, considering it's like NYX. It's meant to be like a drugstore brand. So you get 6 colours in here. Next up, we have number 17, which is a little one. Ah, this is a little mini what's it called? I'm just gonna show you, but it's like that really famous dry fast top coat. Oh, and it's a little cute baby one. Oh, that's so cute. Number 18, we have a green product. What's this? This is the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash, a prebiotic gel cleanser, 30 millilitres. What's that mean, prebiotic? This gentle facial wash revives and refreshes while deeply cleansing the skin. Use daily, morning and evening and rinse thoroughly. Nutrient-dense superfoods have been chosen to enhance natural radiance for an outdoor fresh glow. So this is just what that one looks like. And for 30ml bottle, like that's such a generous... What's this inside here? That's such a generous size. Elemis, your complimentary 15-minute facial. Oh my god, you get a 15-minute facial for free as well. Just join us in store for it. Wow. Ooh, cool. I wonder what that little bit of like paper was inside there. For number 19, we have the Touch in Sol, which is a brand that I really want to try anyway. This is their Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. Ooh, I mean this is quite a small sample size. It's like 5ml, but it's still like a nice way of trying it. And that Touch in, is it Touch in Sol? I don't know how to pronounce things. That's quite an kind of expensive brand. So it'd be good to try that out and see if it's worth the money. And number 20, which if you all know me by now, my birthday is the 20th of December. I always get super, super excited to see what's behind door 20 in advent calendars because I'm like, that's the present for my birthday. I'm sad like that. So let's see. Please don't disappoint after that. What is behind day 20? Oh, it doesn't disappoint. I was thinking about buying this. Oh my god. This is the Clarins 01 Lip Comfort Oil. Sorry, I've got a bit of an itchy baby right now. This is the hazelnut one. Oh my god, I really want to try this as well. Let's open it. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to open it. 01 Honey Lip. Oh my god, I'm excited. Obviously, this isn't a full size. It's like a deluxe. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a deluxe sample. Look at it. Oh my god, that didn't disappoint. Did not disappoint. Next up is number 21. This one feels quite big as well. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh, this is the Ritual of Sakura Magic Touch Body Cream, Organic Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. It just looks like this. And this is a decent size, this one. This one is 70 millilitres. So, I mean, you kind of need a decent size, really, don't you, for body cream because it has to go all over. Oh my god, 22, and we've got a few more to go. So this one goes up to 24, like I said. And I think the biggest one, like the biggest and bestest and most exciting one is in 24. So this one is the Amandi Shower Oil. Oh my god, it's L'Occitane, which is a bougie brand, expensive. This is a shower oil. It transforms when it comes into contact with water. It turns into a foam. Wow. That cleanses the body. Lather and massage in the shower and rinse. Your girl's gonna be feeling bougie when I use this. Number 23. Let's see what's inside number 23. I can't open it because of my nails. I did it. Oh, this smells nice as well. I'm trying to work out what that nice smell is this or if it's a soap. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Oh. This is a candle. This is the Parks London Orange and Clove. I'm not even going to try and pronounce half of this. 100% natural wax, made in England. Made in England candle. This is just what it looks like. I'm filming this video the day before you've seen it, by the way, so I think that's why I'm in such a playful mood, because it's like just, yeah, I don't know. And last but certainly not least, let's get to box number 24, baby. Baby. Number 24. I'm so excited for Christmas this year. So I've just handed my notice in at work. So obviously the day you're watching this, I'm filming this the day before. So I've just handed my notice in at work. So I should be finishing the 10th-ish of December, which I'm so excited about. Because I'm totally going to do Vlogmas, like totally going to do it. So one of the main reasons and one of the things that pushed me to buying this advent calendar is what's behind box 24. Are you ready, boys and girls? It's a full-size MAC lipstick. This is the MAC. I don't know what's wrong with me today. The Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. Like one of the most popular shades, especially this time of year. I love the fact that they haven't just like shoved in like any old basic shade. Like they've put in a classic. And this what it looks like. And weirdly enough, I don't have it. I've got so many MAC lipsticks. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a little comment down below if you want me to do like a full lip swatch collection of my MAC lipsticks, because I have so many, and so many that I'd say like definitely buy these, don't buy these, blah blah blah, they're too similar, whatever. But I didn't have this one. I didn't have Ruby Woo. How did I not have you? Like, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And obviously they're like £15.50 now as well. So, you know, it's just amazing. And that's everything that you get in the Debenhams advent calendar. Like I said, make sure you buy something. Just buy a mini of something. So you get the advent calendar for £45 instead of £90. I'm really, really happy that I bought this. And I, I'm popular. Not really, but I'd really recommend you going and checking it out. I will leave it linked down below if you want to. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get going because Minnie's about to get out of the bath and things are going to get a little bit crazy here. Anyways, love you so much. I'll hopefully see you in my next video on Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.